video I've ever done, and today I'm going to be doing Play-Doh Desert Island. So I hope you enjoy. So this is my desert island palm tree ocean, there's this desert, there's this palm tree, there's the white bits, the ocean. So that was my Play-Doh desert island. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.